Hello and welcome back to the Dungeon Manual. I'm your host Renee, and today we're doing an unboxing video again. This time Yeenoghu, the Beast of Butchery. So let's start. Shall we? Yeah, we already started, so the shall we was a bit late. So here's the beast. As always, there's a nice smell in this packages. So here we have some tape we have to get rid of, and as I thought, there's some this. Oh God, that's well saved here. Oh, Yeenoghu lost its tail. And that's not so bad, but it's hard to get in. That should do the trick. And here you can see should be Yeenoghu, the Demon Lord. I have to say I'm a big fan of gnolls, and maybe the next Demon Lord will duplex. As you know, I'm a big Ooze fan, but I got this creature on a good price tag, so I've just had to got it. And my gnoll army will grow, and Yeenoghu will have its place there. To get a setting for the size of the creature, I have here the classic mage. It's not so impressive, I would say, if Yeenoghu would enter the battlefield, but if you know what it is impressive. Here's the classic white dragon, adult white dragon against it. And there you can see, yeah, it's just a huge miniature. But I think the details here on the Yeenoghu miniature, they are just great. Have to get the tail into, okay, now it's fit. Now it's right into it. So the flails here are flexible, so I don't think that I will have any problems here. And you can see there are so many details here. That's, I think, the first of many for the Demon Lords. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, consider subscribing to the channel, and sharing it with your friends. I would appreciate your support, and see you the next time. Bye!